Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Amazon Associates tracking on SiteStripe. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the Amazon homepage. Look for the SiteStripe toolbar at the top of the page. From the SiteStripe, locate the Get Link option. You will notice three options: product links, text links, and image links. Select product links to find the item you wish to promote. Use the search bar to locate a specific product. Once you find the product, click on the Get Link button below the product image. A pop-up will appear showing your tracking link. You can customize your link by selecting between text, image, or text plus image formats. Copy the link provided for your preferred format. Now, head over to your website or blog where you want to add the link. Paste the Amazon Associates tracking link in the appropriate location on your site. If you're using a site builder, make sure to adjust the hyperlink settings to ensure it opens in a new tab. If you're using a text editor, make sure the link is properly formatted. After saving your changes, preview your page to ensure the link works correctly. Test the link by clicking on it to confirm it redirects to the correct Amazon product page. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created an Amazon Associates tracking link using SiteStripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.